Hi there, okay, doing good. So here I'm with an automation, and in this automation, we'll be generating the Google Doc based on the given information. Let me give you the disclaimer that this data has nothing to do with the real life data. It's just a dummy data. Okay, so this is the custom menu added, and if you will click this button, generate the docs, what this is going to do, let me delete this file, and I have created a new folder in the original folder. This is your original folder. I have created this new folder automation, and I'll delete this folder too. And this is the main file we are running, and this is the template for the sailor. Now, if you will run this doc, what this is going to do, this is going to use this this Google Doc and create a new file. And also it's going to create a new folder first with the name of the sailor and the address. You will see in a while. So if I'll click generate docs, it's going to take all the details from here, create a folder if that is not present. You can see cash flow, this is the seller name, and after the underscore, it's the address. And if you will open it, you will see a letter generated with the letter of intent to purchase. Then after this is seller name, address, and the postal code. If you open the file, you will see I have changed the date format a little. If you want me to make it 0202 again, I'll do that. Because if it is 0203, you don't know which one is month or which one is date, because different zones use different date formats. So it's just to clarify the discrepancy. But if you want to keep it the same format 0202 to 017, I'll do that. Then you can see all of the address, sailor name, and each and everything is working fine. I have updated the code with the format of the numbers as well. So if the currency is dollars, which I probably guess is, then it's adding a dollar sign and a comma separate after the thousand separator as a thousand separator as well. Similarly, for the interest, I'm using a percent sign without any thousand separator because it's not going to reach to that thousand thing. And yep, I just formatted each and every number. Now, regarding this option 4 is not available in our sheet. Here you can see the option 1 to 3 is there, but I can't find the option 4. But if you see in this data here we can find, okay, the option 4 is available, but I'm not sure which reference to use for the pricing for the option 4. So I think this is using initially any of the prices from option 1 to 3 and doing something with it. So you can let me know which value to use from option 1 to 3 so that I can create a lease pricing and everything for option 4 so that we can pull that thing in here. So the option 4 is currently not functional. I just need two things from your side. Do you want to keep the format of the date and from where the option 4 data to be pulled? Once everything is done, you will see a tab generated doc links in here. Let me clear this too. I'll go back in here. Now I'm going to create a new doc again. And you can see this is currently empty. A new folder is being created with the document in it. Then there will be a link, the timestamp at what time you generated the document, which is in your time zone. The sheet time zone is basically -600 hours US, -6 GMT -6. So it's using that time. Then this is the ID. This is the link of the file which you can copy and paste to share anyone. And then this is the name link letter. And this is the name of the person who created this file. So I was the person who ran this. So it is using the email address of that person, whoever is running the system. Now, what happens if I create a new, I run the same system again, what happens? It will not create a new folder with the same name because the same folder cannot be same with the same name. So it's going to create a new file in it, in here, which you can always say this is 711 and this is 712. This is one way you can find out. We can also add the timestamp in the file name as well if you want. Then there is another option. If you are if you are going to print it and sign this document, I can always give you the printable PDF format as well if needed. So yep, that is it from my side. And this video will be available through this link. So if you'll go to the menu and watch demo video, okay, there is another thing. Let me make a copy quickly and show you. So if you make the copy, obviously, sorry, if you will run this system for the first time, it's going to ask you for the authorizations. I'll show you what kind of authorization it's going to ask. Because every time we are making a copy or creating a new script and then running it, every time the Google standard operating procedure is to ask the authorization through which account you want to run it. That's it. Okay, shortly I should see the menu. I'll refresh the file once again so that I can see the menu. Yeah, here it is. So if I'll run this run document and it's going to ask me the authorization. So I need to click on OK. Then I'll click the account through which I want to run this system. Then I'll scroll advanced and click on this go to untitled project. And then click allow. Once I'll run this, this click is being consumed in the authorization. I'll clear everything from here. And then I'll come back this one and create the link. As you can see now, this time it's running, whereas the previous run was consumed in the authorization, and everything is created. You don't need to go into the folders, and this is the file you have. So that is it from my side. Please do let me know if you need any further modifications or any assistance. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.